Still quiet?
Yeah, you can get through, mate.
You go through, I think. Thanks, mate. No worries, buddy. Just get us down the right way whenever you go past.
Oh, fucking prime mover caught fire. Jesus. Fucking hell. Another one bites the dust.